Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for joining me for a class today. Now I have got a quick 10-minute arm class for us. We will be using hand weights, but if you've done some arm work with me before, you know that most of the time you can do the entire session with no weights whatsoever and you still get a fabulous workout. This is one that's going to be great for our posture. We'll also be strengthening our oblique muscles a little bit while we do this. So grab your weights or not, roll out your mat, and let's get started. I'm going to be in a seat for this class. You could do this standing if you know that just feels better for you. You could even be sitting on a chair if you want, although I would say probably sit towards the end of your chair so you can sit up a little taller and straighter rather than lounging back behind us. That's true for those of us on the ground like I am too. But just begin upright, hands on your thighs. Think about broadening across the chest. Think about the top of your head lifting a little higher, and before we go anywhere at all, I simply want you to nod your chin down, roll your right ear to right shoulder, bring chin to chest, roll left ear to left shoulder, bring chin to chest, bring your gaze upright, slide your shoulders up to your ears, roll the shoulders down the back, slide the shoulders up to the ears, roll the shoulders forward. One more just like that in both directions, back, straight up, forward, and pause. Now from here, I want you to take both hands out in front of you. Did you just let your chest cave in? I hope not. Sit tall, sit straight. Drop your right hand lower than your left and then cross over, either reaching for your opposite shoulder if this is what our range of motion is, or trying to touch the back of your hand. Or if you really have a lot of range of motion, you can touch the palms together. But from here, all I want us to do at first is just wake up our upper body a little bit, and I want you to lightly kind of circle the shoulders, circle the elbows around both directions. That might feel a little weird, that's okay. And then pause. Pull the shoulder blades towards one another, sit out of your little sitting bones, and then from here, almost try and reach your fingertips further away from your face, and then pull them back in. Reach them further away from your face, pull them back in. Last one down, lift up, pause, unravel, kind of shake it out. Take the hands in front of you again. This time, drop the left hand low, bring it underneath, and either reach for your shoulders if that's the range of motion we have, hands to each other, or palms towards each other. Same thing from the other side. Just a little bit of mobility work at first, kind of circling the shoulders back and forward, other direction. And then from here, pause, reach the fingers away from the body, pull them back in towards your face. Reach away, pull them back in. One more time down, bring it back, let it go, shake it out, wiggle all we need to. Always nice to give ourselves a little bit of love before we start our arm work. Grab your weights if you have them. If not, no weights is totally fine. But let's start by hugging our elbows into our sides. From here, roll the shoulders back, lift taller and straighter. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, I want you to think of kissing your shoulder blades towards one another or pulling the shoulder blades towards your spine, towards the middle of your back, and at the same time, lightly rotating your weights away from your body and then letting that go. Again, roll the shoulders, kiss them in, press the weights back, let it go. Again, roll, kiss, press, let it go. Two more, roll and press, let it go. Now this time, reach the weights back, pause, lift out of the sitting bones, draw the low belly in, and lightly pulse the weights back for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Two more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Let that rotation go, but do not lose any of that open chest feeling. Take a big inhale. Slowly straighten your arms out away from your body on a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1, out, 4, 3, 2, 1, in, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 more, slow and steady, take it out, pull it back in, sit taller as you do that last one, slowly out, and pause right there. Flip the palms away from one another, put a soft bend in the elbows, soften the shoulders down. It's like your hands are in a very wide W. And I just want you to lightly lift and lower the hands. Not a great big bounce, but just a small up and down. Notice as you do that, do you let your shoulders climb up to your ears? Soften them down the back. Think about broadening through the front of the chest while still kissing the shoulder blades in towards the spine, keeping that back of body just as active. Draw the ribs in. Pause right here. Take a big, deep, full inhale. Exhale, close the hands towards one another. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Close it in. Nice and slow. Pull it right back out. There you go. Last one in, and pause. When you return right here, take a great big inhale. We've got that soft bend already. Exhale, pull the elbow straight behind you. Inhale, reach it out. Opposite. Exhale, pull it straight behind you. Inhale, reach it out. Back and forth, side to side. Poke the elbow behind you. Inhale, pull it back. Poke it behind you. Send it on back. Tone the tummy the whole time. Is your chest as high as it can be? Is your neck relaxed? Can you put a smile on your face because you're doing such good things for your posture, for your body? And let's face it, if we're having fun and smiling, it's not so painful, right? I hope so. 2 more sets on each side. Exhale, back tone the tummy. Inhale out. Exhale, back tone the tummy. Inhale out. Last set, pull it back. Reach it out. Last one, back. Inhale, reach it out. Press the weights together. Open your elbows wide. Make a great big circle through your upper body. Shoulders nice and broad, head high. From here, this is a little oblique work with our upper body. Take a big inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Keep your elbows high. Inhale, pull it back. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, pull it back. Punch those weights towards one another. Inhale, return. Twist. Inhale, return. 2 more. Bring it back. Last set, both sides. Exhale. Return. Last one. Return, take a big breath, lift them up overhead, poke your elbows side to side, shoulders down, lift high. It's like you've got a great big crown above your head or something and you do not want to let it fall, so don't let that head fall down. From here, keep the soft circle in your arms. Inhale, open the hands wide. Exhale, hug that great big circle above your head. Inhale, open your hands wide. Exhale, hover it above your head. 3 more, down we go. Exhale, pick it up. 2 more, down you go. Exhale, pick it up. Last one down. Exhale, lift, pause. Reach the weights a little bit higher. Poke those elbows side to side. Take a big inhale. Drop the circle in front of your body. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Drop. You got it. And then right back up we go. Last one, down and pause. Open those elbows wide, sit up taller, sit up straighter. Take a great big breath. Straighten the arms out in front of you. One more set. Inhale, slide the hands open. Keep the arms so straight if you can. Exhale, pull it in. Smile. Inhale, slide the hands open. Exhale, pull it in. 3 more. Inhale, open up. Exhale, pull. 2 more. Reach it open. Exhale, bring it right back in. Last one. You got it. Open. Exhale, close. Take a big breath. Let it go. Set your weights down. Relax your hands. Take a breath. Sit up taller, sit up straighter. Let's roll our shoulders like we did earlier, pushing them straight up and then sliding them down the back. Push them straight up, roll them forward. Lift up, slide it back. Lift up, roll it forward. Oh, that feels really good to me right now. I could probably do that for a good 3 minutes, but let's just do one more going forward and then pause. From here, just move your hands, move your wrist, start to circle them. And then from here, go ahead and clasp the hands together, roll the wrist around in both directions. And then I just want you to reach your right hand out in front of you. Make sure you're not caving the chest in. Pull the shoulder back just like we did, and then lightly hug it across the body. Now I'm hugging from kind of the middle part of my upper arm and just pulling it in towards my chest. And at the same time, I'm thinking about my shoulder reaching back, but my fingers reaching further forward. Take a big breath. Let that go. Reach your hand over your head. It's like you're about to give yourself a pat on the middle of the back. Now, your range of motion might be entirely different than mine. That's perfectly fine, but I like to grab my elbow and give myself a little hug here. If your ribs splay, that's okay while we're stretching, at least right now. I'm not super concerned with that. It can feel nice to slide over away from your elbow. Pull it back up. Let it go. Same thing other side. A little hug in. I'm going to pull and reach, sending it nice and far away. And then lift it on up overhead. Again, little pat on the back for yourself already. You can hug and you can stay upright if that feels better, or we can take that nice big side stretch over. Oh, that's feeling extra good for me right now. Take a breath. Let it go. Give yourself a real pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I hope you enjoyed our fabulous 10-minute arm session, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.